sir. Cover the stanchion, cover the combo. You know the Noro. Guys, you know I bit crust. You know, it's the next day. But we're trying to peep that, you know. We don't know what's Wednesday. We out here at Pick and Pay reporting live. Kampuchunji. People are watching. What happened? I was about to hop off. Let me go peep what's going on. Recording live. What happened, I didn't see, but somebody was trying to steal a Pick and Pay and was running. You know the Vimba Nation, Vimba! It's like him. Yeah, so couldn't peep what really happened. Oh, the crusty lane. But it is what it is. Yes, sir. Round two. Stanchion, cover the combo. You know the Ndoro. We outside again, hey. We here, man. Same day, different look. What's going on? Let me do the just steady G motion. The camera. Yeah. Gas gaming it again. You can call us the lords of the gas game too. Because we out there. Always out there gas gaming. You feel me? You heard? Oh. What's popping? Good vibes. Chasing the sunset every day. We outside. Clean boys, no more crusty boys. Tanked up. Okay, open the handle there for that link.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Oh, I don't know why I did that, but yeah, anyways. Oh! Sankisarara way. Kensington way. Too much. Too much. Oh, Sunkiss boys. Come on. Don't hate.
Don't be hating. Reaction.
About to eat. Haven't eaten the whole day.
Oh, yes, man.
Yeah, I'm about to go eat now and handle ourselves and just end the week on a high. So we have energy for tomorrow. So shout out to everybody that's watching my vlogs. Yo, subscribe, guys. Road to 500 subscribers.
Let's go.
I'm trying to get monetized, you know, so I can do greater and bigger things for you guys. But keep on watching.
Thanks.
Yeah, wanna do it the YouTube way. Hey, we're out here. Hey, we're back home. Sequoia, chasing the sunset.
Oh yeah, you write his name.
Yeah, you feel me? That road, we could have caught it there, bro.
It's the G-Wagon right there?
And it's the cruiser.
Oh hell nah, bro.
Ntwana manje sizophelela lapha la.
Yebo uyazi ukuthi
Mfethu kuba singinile na ke intwana.
nto manje ufuna ukuvesa.
Phatha ama price stand phela lana namuhla nje. So also price after. Okay, yeah, I stand.
Lana we chasing the sunset.
Zang. Part 2. What's going on? A little bit late today, but the sun's still out. Let's go. We know what we doing. Yep.
Going down and up. What is it? Gang.
Oh. Wow. Nah.
Did it go down?
Yeah.
Oh, that sunset is really good.
They're like wild animals here.
Wild animals. Broski. So Bonacon.
Got chased by a lion.
Yeah, we got chased by a lion last week. Didn't you see the other vlog?
You ready?
We got chased by a lion, bro. She jumped out. Look at how fast Case was. It's crazy chasing the sunset. This is like AWA. Have you guys watched the Avatar? Have you guys watched the Avatar? This is like AWA. Yeah. Oh, there. Damn.
Hey, the cruiser. It's 300 down there. Can you just check for a pathway, maybe, like how to get down there?
Yeah. Look at them niggas swagged up for hiking, bro.
Hey, man.
Mitch.
Never let a leg go.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Watch out. Better watch out.
I got it. When I watch out. Send me there.
You getting that shit?
Yeah. That's enough. Get that up. We need to chase the sunset. Real quick.
What about me?
Okay, yeah, shut that.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Stop.
Hey, yo, what's up, y'all? What's up, gang? We just went to go take a few pictures, bro. And that shit was fire. That shit was really fire. Skirt. So now we're going to the other bridge. This way. We came from that way, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
We came from that way. So now we're crossing a bridge. Kind of looks cool for pictures, I won't lie. Yeah. It looks cool for pictures. Don't fall, dog. What the fuck is that? That
It's
shit.
just soft, dude. It's
soft.
because of the water underneath. It's a wetland.
Shit.
This way. I'm told capture him properly, ne?
So director, bro.
You
chaotic.
already know. Okay, cut the shit. We gotta do.
Shit.
This nigga scared to be out here.
You never know what might happen.
Oh, fuck, bruh. Ooh, this water. Little cruiser be yambala. He's enjoying his cruise there. That guy, bruh. He's enjoying it, bruh. Just putting it through.
I know it's the office
We are also living our best lives. Bundulot is always in front of everybody. Niggas might get lost. It wasn't. It wasn't. But it's because the sun has set. Yeah. She came a bit late today, but still, the vibes are fucking amazing. Yeah. Had to stand up business. Come on, wildlife safari, wild man. Pull up with the sponsor for the poisons. You know, put us with the merch, the hiking merch.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
Let's go up top. Let's go up top.
Up top. Let's leave this for next time. Let's go up top. Anavela sikakaqedi. Yes. Oh, let's go to the water. Yeah. Over that concrete handle.
Let's look sure.
Hi, Bo.
How?
Still have to go and braai and shit for niggas. But the most important thing is this. Whose stomachs can come last today?
Hey, it's already last.
Yeah, it's already last. Choo! The bugs!
God.
It's getting nuts.
And share, man. What do you call it? What's this? This is where they...
It's the water plant, yeah.
It's the water plant. So they clean the water for the whole town.
Yeah.
The whole town with it.
But our water, we get it from Reed Spray, that side. Yeah, there's a Netherland Park, we don't get water from here.
Where we get our water? Let's go! Losing daylight.
I will meet you at the river. Dòng sơ lên plơ mềm lăn trên. Dòng sơ lên plơ mềm lăn trên. Sandra Sharp. Ông man just Sandra Sam nang zok to lagu. We on that. Ông man just Sandra Sam nang zok to lagu. Ông man just Sandra Sam nang zok to lagu. Patsy, I will meet you at the river.
My nigga, it's just gonna drip on you. It's not gonna be crazy. You my guy, Stingy.
That's what I thought.
You my penitentiary. Okay,
Okay. Just you?
Yeah.
That's hard. Everything hard.
Everything hard. Everything hard, bro. So we just landed a few pigs, guys. Type shit.
Yeah.
Right
now.
Yeah,
Like jog.
Tried handling, bro. So we gonna look. Oh, fuck. He didn't pay us.
Yeah. The Coca-Cola way. How about you can show it?
He didn't. This way. Damn.
Last time you was getting crazy. Oh.
Yeah, bro.
There's the car there. There's the car. Right over there. Far away. I'm walking in the bushes, literally. I've been praying for this change, yeah. See, let's try it. No heavy breathing today. For brighter days, need to break away, oh yeah. Sometimes the pain stays on like stains, oh yeah. They gotta know my name, so we had to change, oh yeah. Let's start from the beginning. Ever since I'm young and I was winning, motivated, working on my skills while they were chilling. My enemies what turned me to a villain. The pressure did me wrong, I lost focus, started sinning. I was on with the wrong ones, I hung out with the wrong ones. I passed plans with the wrong ones, I put in work with the wrong ones.
All the way peaceful. On. Aye. Sesipapsekile ke manje. Sendleleni yobulala. Hey, lesitshintshene indlela zokudla. Uh-oh. Damn, boy.
Cut that shit. Cut that shit, bro.
Nah, man.
What?
Oh, this is so bad.
Bitch ass scared as rock. Scared out of his boots.
Yes, sir, Sky! I'm not behind the camera for a change. Let's go. You can take breaks like in between. What, bro?
Cut what?
Video.
When I edit it, I'm gonna play it.
I want to put that cut in your
Damn. The view. It's fine. Oh yeah? Right, boy. Show me those moves, boy. What up with the moves, boy?
Shit is crazy, so amazing. Hallelujah to my dogs. Bana kuzolunga, don't give up. Isandla siyaluma, counting bucks. Namanje sizabusha, it be tough. Shit is crazy, so amazing. Manje ngishaya number, no delaying. Do this for my dogs, no we ain't playing. They be asking questions, we gon' make it. My nigga, this real life, no we don't fake it. The sun is coming out, dog, we been praying. This time we pull up, this time we stay in. No more contemplating, no complaining. Shit is crazy, so amazing. Hallelujah to my dogs. Bana kuzolunga, don't give up.
You tired as hell, bro. You tired as hell. So you just, I doubt you guys can see. But you came somewhere from like
Up there.
there, somewhere from like there, somewhere there. Yeah. Tired as fuck. We're heading back to the car now. It's getting dark.
But it's actually fun.
Yeah.
You're getting scared. Tell him.
Yeah.
Then you getting scared.
I'm already scared, bro.
Niggas, I'm scared. I don't feel comfortable anymore. It's a bit too.
But you never know, though. You never know. That's the problem.
Never know what.
What if something bad happens?
Never know what.
What your thoughts are? What's gonna happen? You're attract that shit.
Always in the house.
You always gotta
Come
be.
outside.
Always gotta be watching.
We always
Get some
watching.
fresh air.
Come out the crib, baby. We rolling with outside niggas now. We outside for real. You know what I'm saying?
And let's gang.
Buying shit.
And let's
Music
gang.
soon. Next month is music month, but we're still coming with the content.
Yes, sir.
You know, just have patience with us.
Yes, sir.
We have the music.
Yo, catch the leaks on the vlogs. We wanna
Sure,
put
catch the
music
leaks on the vlogs. Yeah.
on the vlogs first, even before we drop it.
Sure.
You
It's
like,
about
oh
to get
shit.
fire.
Once you hear it, then you know it's coming out.
It's about to get fire. Hey,
Yeah,
how you
it's gonna
feel,
leak
bro?
on the vlog first.
Hey, yo, how you feel, bro?
Kuluma.
How you feel?
Sad as fuck, bro.
Yeah, because you were climbing, going down, posing. But it's worth it, dog. Trust me, you're gonna see. So when I'm going to post that when you're like done posting that shit.
Suffer for success.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On camera mode. Let's see. We're heading out now.
God damn.
See, today we went a little bit further down because it's not the kutu level. Ukuthi kudeshiya la phezulu qala.
Hey yo.
Nobody ever shouts out my drive, you know.
Hey yo guys.
Me I always do, you know. Mfethu ukuthi how. Come on, how are you?
I'm the most fire driver, la, and niggas know. Yeah, it's facts. Let's get on with
Get
it.
it, Lady.
Huh? Fucking
But
rich.
we gotta go go-kart racing and get it. Then let's see who's the fire driver van.
Oh, go for it.
Takes the
Shit,
cup.
double it over. Double it over. Scheiße, du bist scheiße. Now catch me wherever. I'm always number one. Shit it is.
Shit it is.
Now, oh my goodness, the scariest nigga alive. Scared of everything. Scared of the car. Scared of the grave. Scared of the dog. What else?
Where am I see? I'm still young, bro.
Okay, we always fucking young. Who's old? You know?
Came be up here again.
Your feet.
Bro, I'ma send you my YouTube link. And we gotta get that shit up, man.
Yeah. Jason Stanton, the transporter. Yakhumbula siyevala ntwana. Silale garage. But there was what happened? Open the window. What the fuck happened here?
No idea.
Umuntu ngathi lapha.
Nah, but phambili.
Oh my god.
Still.
Washayisene njani la? The head on. Oh, ushayise ngemuva lo, ushayise lo. Oh my god. Oh, the tow truck's about to get rich right now.
As always.
Alright, big bro setting up the fire right now. Yes, sir. The grill.
Give me some light.
Read this paper.
I see you with that experience, bro. I see what you're doing there. Let's just get that on. Yes, sir.
Sit down. Type shit. Where would you learn this? Like for wood? You guys looking for wood?
Here.
Yeah, let's get that.
Okay. Alright, show us where they are. So I'm challenging this guy into a bribe, bro. We're gonna see who gonna buy the best piece, bro.
Yeah.
We're gonna see who gonna buy the best piece. Hey, bro. What the hell?
Oh, that's what you got.
Okay. Okay, that was dope. That was dope. Bo, 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 bo. So guys, yeah, it's about everybody shit. It's about to happen. Let me get a sip. Yes, sir. Breaking the wood. Yes. Oh, you found it?
This one yours?
No, the gun one is mine. Ile yasale emotweni.
I don't know who's this one.
Shoot here.
Mine has like fruits on it.
Yeah, but bad.
Mine has like
Yeah.
fruits on it.
Yeah, I mean, it's
It's
palm.
inside.
It's the one with the gun.
The super with the burger. He's vlogging. Don't be vlogging that. Oh. No, I got 40 packs.
40
Yo, this
40 on that shit, bro.
You know what I mean? So,
Sir.
I get your spice, I died. That's it.